Hi, let me show you how to use brackets in simplifying algebraic expression. Welcome, it's your science tutor. In this video, we shall be using brackets to simplify algebraic expressions. So let us evaluate some problems and see how it goes. Examples on the use of brackets. We are told to evaluate. We have a question on the board. X squared plus x minus 2 divided by 2x squared plus x minus 3. We are told to evaluate this algebraic expression when x is equal to minus 1. So let's get started. When x is equal to minus 1, all we do, we simply substitute x minus 1 in this expression at the numerator and at the denominator. So the expression x squared plus x minus 2 divided by 2x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to, now I'm putting minus 1 in place of x. So for the first case, I have minus 1. You can see I am using brackets. Many students have challenges with doing this. They simply use everything. At the end of the day, they get wrong result. The next sign we have is a plus. X represents minus 1. So I have minus 1. I'm enclosing the use of brackets to avoid confusion. And then I have minus 2, which is next. All divided by 2. X is minus 1. You can see I'm making use of bracket raised to power 2 plus x represents minus 1 minus 3. We do this, we don't go wrong. Now, to simplify what we have in the brackets, minus 1 squared simply means minus 1 times minus 1. This is 1 pair. Plus times minus, plus times minus simply gives us a minus in order to terminate this bracket. So plus times minus gives us a minus 1. I have terminated this bracket by multiplying plus and minus. Then I'm having minus 2 left, all divided by 2 into minus 1 squared. Just like in the first case, I have minus 1 times minus 1, plus times minus is a minus 1, then I have minus 3. Simplifying this further, minus 1 times minus 1 gives us 1, so I have 1 minus 2, all divided by 2. Minus 1 times minus 1 is 1, so 2 into 1, minus 1 minus 3. So this simplifies to give us 1 minus 1 automatically cancels out, which means I'm left with a minus 2, all divided by 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 minus 3. So that makes minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is a negative 2. At the end of the day, you can see like terms cancel out. So minus takes minus, 2 is 1, 2 is 1. At the end of it all, I have 1 as my result, simplified with the help of my brackets. On to the second question. So we have a second question on the board of which we want to simplify. Question says we should evaluate d cubed minus 4cd plus 11ce plus 15. And we are given that c is 3, d is minus 2, and e equals 7. So let's begin by substituting directly solution. We are told that d is given as minus 2. So in that case, we have minus 2. I'm using a bracket raised to power 3 minus 4. C is given as 3. I'm using a bracket for C. D is given as minus 2. I'm using a bracket for minus 2 for D. Plus plus 11, C is 3, I'm using a bracket, and also E is 7, I'm using a bracket, plus 15. So the bracket helps to simplify the parameters for better understanding. Now, this is raised to power 3 simply means minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. For the first case, this will be taken together. First of all, minus times minus gives me a plus. 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Multiplying all two because of the bracket. So bracket simply means multiplication. So 4 times 3 times 2 gives me 24. I have a positive sign here. 11 times 3 is 33. 33 times 7. 33 times 7. 3 and 7 is 21. Move the 2. 3 and 7, 21. 23. So that gives us 231. And then we have plus 15. At the end of the day, minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, minus times minus is a plus, plus times minus is a minus. So I have 2 times 2 times 2, which makes 8. So minus 8 plus 24 plus 231 plus 15. Simplifying all of these, we have our result, which makes our final answer. We have 262. That's our final result. Now, all this is all about the use of the brackets. Many times, students tend to have challenges with the use of brackets, and at the end of the day, they end up having long results in their calculation. I'm sure we got value from this video. If you are new here, do well to subscribe to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for always showing up. See you next time. Bye for now.